Welcome to our beautiful jewelry collection, Sparkle's Gemstone. Today, we are going to explore a stunning variety of jewelry set designs that combine elegance, beauty, tradition, and modern fashion. Jewelry has always been an important part of fashion. A beautiful jewelry set can transform a simple outfit into a graceful and sophisticated look. In this collection, you will see different styles of necklaces, earrings, matching jewelry sets, and elegant designs suitable for many occasions. Let's begin with our first design. The first jewelry set features a beautifully designed necklace paired with matching earrings. The detailed pattern gives the set a luxurious and attractive appearance. This type of design can be a wonderful choice for weddings, family gatherings, festive celebrations, and formal events. Our second design is perfect for anyone who loves traditional jewelry. The necklace features beautiful detailing inspired by classic patterns, while the matching earrings complete the overall look. Traditional jewelry has a timeless charm and can beautifully complement cultural and festive outfits. Now let's look at a more delicate and elegant design. This set has a simple necklace with matching earrings. Its graceful appearance makes it suitable for people who prefer a sophisticated style without an overly heavy look. Such jewelry can be paired with both traditional and modern outfits. The next set is designed to create a statement look. The necklace has a bold and eye-catching pattern, while the matching earrings add extra elegance. Statement jewelry can be an excellent choice when you want your accessories to become an important part of your overall outfit. Moving on to another beautiful design, we have a classic necklace and earring combination. The balanced design gives it a timeless appearance. This type of jewelry can be styled with different colors and styles of dresses, making it a versatile addition to any jewelry collection. Now let's talk about bridal jewelry sets. Bridal jewelry is known for its detailed designs and elegant appearance. A beautiful bridal necklace paired with matching earrings can create a complete and graceful look for a special day. Depending on the outfit, you can choose a traditional, delicate, or more elaborate design. The next design is inspired by modern fashion. It combines clean patterns with elegant detailing. Modern jewelry sets are perfect for those who enjoy contemporary styles while still wanting a touch of traditional beauty. Another beautiful option is a layered necklace set. Multiple layers can give the jewelry a rich and stylish appearance. When paired with matching earrings, the complete set can look incredibly elegant and fashionable. Let's take a look at a beautiful festive jewelry design. Festive occasions are the perfect time to experiment with attractive accessories. A colorful or detailed jewelry set can complement festive clothing and add a special touch to your appearance. The next design is simple yet graceful. Sometimes, less is more. A delicate necklace with small matching earrings can create a beautiful and refined appearance. Such designs can be suitable for dinners, family events, celebrations, and other occasions. Now we have another traditional-inspired jewelry set. The intricate detailing gives this design a rich and artistic appearance. Traditional jewelry can beautifully complement embroidered dresses, formal outfits, and cultural clothing. For those who love elegant earrings, matching earring and necklace sets are a great choice. When the necklace and earrings share the same design elements, the complete look becomes more coordinated and polished. The next set features a beautiful combination of simplicity and sophistication. Its graceful design makes it easy to style with different outfits. Whether you choose a traditional dress or a modern formal outfit, an elegant jewelry set can complete your look beautifully. Jewelry is not only an accessory, it can also express personal style. Some people love bold and glamorous designs, while others prefer delicate and minimal pieces. The best jewelry set is the one that matches your personality and makes you feel confident and comfortable. When choosing a jewelry set, always consider the occasion and your outfit. For weddings, you may prefer more detailed and traditional designs. For parties, statement pieces can create an attractive look. For everyday or semi-formal occasion, delicate and lightweight designs can be a beautiful choice. Another important factor is coordination. Matching necklaces and earrings create a balanced appearance. You can also choose jewelry that complements the details of your dress rather than competing with them. Now let's continue with more beautiful designs from this collection. Here is a gorgeous necklace set featuring elegant detailing and matching earrings. The overall design looks sophisticated and stylish. It can be paired with a variety of formal and festive outfits. Next, we have a design with a classic appearance. This jewelry set demonstrates how timeless patterns can remain fashionable for years. Classic jewelry can become a beautiful part of your collection because it can be styled for many different occasions. The next design is perfect for those who love fashionable and contemporary accessories. Its modern appearance makes it an attractive choice for special events and celebrations. We also have delicate designs for people who prefer a soft and graceful appearance. These sets are elegant without being overly dramatic and can beautifully enhance your outfit. As we come to the final designs, we can see how different jewelry styles offer completely different looks. From traditional necklaces to modern sets, from delicate pieces to statement designs, every style has its own beauty. Jewelry sets can also make wonderful gifts.